So we lost audio, so this is where I'm saying we're in Carmel, Indiana. I'm Chris, this is Margie and Haley, and this is AFA, Addy Family Adventures. And come on and come with us on this adventure that we found here in Carmel, Indiana. Alright, we're here at the cake bake shop that Gwendolyn Rogers started, and it is kind of like going into some place that would be in the Grand Floridian at Walt Disney World. But we're going in and we're just going to pick up some cake and maybe some other stuff. But this place is really amazing. Alright, so this is what they have in the case. They have apple crumble pie, key lime pie, turtle cheesecake, eclairs, chocolate cheesecake, mixed berry cheesecake, and all kinds of cakes going down through. They have millionaire cake, they have the red velvet cake, maple walnut crumb cake, they have a carrot cake in the back, bundt cake, magic bars. Looks like they're out of chocolate chip cookies. They have sugar cookies, brownies. They have ice cream over here. So we just made an order. So where we came in at, it's you have to get it to go. So as you can see, just how fancy this place is with the chandeliers. And they got where they were in Oprah, the magazine. Just really fancy place. So they got all kinds of stuff here. The place is just well done. Everything. Place to eat. We didn't stop to eat. We just came here, get some cake, try it out. So we're gonna walk out. As you can see. Just a real fancy place to eat. See people dining and everything like that. So that was it. That was the cake bake shop. So we're gonna try out the cake here in a minute. All right, so we had to come to get McDonald's to get a fork because they did not give us a fork there. But I am going to try a piece of this red velvet cake.
That is the piece of cake.
Well, you know what I mean. All right. So I'm going to hand Margie the camera, and she's going to hand me the cake.
Okay.
This is a big piece of red velvet cake. Are you watching me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just showing them the cake.
We also stopped to get me a milk because I have a feeling I'm going to need milk. So, it looks kind of tough getting in here. My sleeve. Let's move it around. Oh, it's real moist. Well, this is just a piece of icing. Oh my god. This is really good. This tastes like the red velvet cake that a woman used to make for my dad when I was younger.
Is the icing just buttercream icing or cream cheese icing?
I don't know. It's like a different icing between the layers than
Well, I
what's actually on the cake.
I think that's cream cheese in the middle.
Is
of
it?
Cream cheese something, maybe.
It's very, very good.
I can tell.
Okay.
Need the
I'm gonna need milk. I can say that. I'll probably finish that when we get home. And I'm gonna hand it back to Haley. Are you gonna try your? Margie got a magic bar, and she's gonna try it.
I'm just gonna break a piece off.
All right.
So-
Oh, look at that.
It's just butterscotch, coconut, I think, maybe some chocolate, and graham cracker.
Really good.
It's really good.
Would you be willing to go back there again to get that? All right, so that was our trip to the cake bake shop by Gwendolyn Rogers, and it felt a lot like going into some place
At Disney.
well, the Grand Floridian. And if you really look at what I recorded while we were in there, it did kind of really look like the Grand Floridians
Yeah,
in
it
there.
did.
But it was interesting. It was really interesting. But as for that, this is going to be the end of the video, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. And remember, never mind. And remember, adventure is out there.